curls are giving.
To make the people say yeah.
Get off. Yeah. Ow! That one hurt.
Peoples are so motherfucking ass. I can't even do it no more.
You got me. I'm gonna buy it.
This is so freaking cute.
Somewhere in Wisconsin. Like a
Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. I'm just chilling listening to music right now. But we're about to go to my mom's house because my mom wants us to come over to pick out who is doing Secret Santa for who. She told us to wear Christmas colors, so I got this little onesie on. That's what the plans are right now. I just got done getting ready. I just got done getting Anaya ready as well, and then we're about to head out to go meet my sister to get some coffee. And then we're headed over to my mom's house, so let's go. Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday. I don't even know what day it is. It is Saturday, December 9th. We are currently on our way to meet my mom and my sister to go Christmas shopping. They're currently at Burlington right now, so I'm just going to pull up there and kind of see what they're getting, what they're doing. One of my sisters actually has to go to work at 3, so I'm just like, girl. Anyway, it's so weird holding the camera with the wrong hand. So yeah, that's what the plans are today. It's really windy outside today for some reason. Like the wind has been like hitting the windows all morning, going like, you know what I mean? So that's how this morning has been. I had some hair on my lip. Anyways, we made breakfast this morning. It turned out really cute. If I have a picture, I'll post it here. You know. So yeah, that's what our plans are for right now. We are just headed over to Burlington to help my mom and my sisters pick out some Christmas presents, and that's the vibes. So I'll see y'all when we get there. My hair is giving moisturized. I bought this new moisturizer that my friend put me onto, and girl, the curls are giving. When it's dry, it shrinks up a lot, but when I pull it down, it's like, I would say it's like, here's my boob, like right here. So I don't know if I want to cut it or not, because sometimes it's just so much to deal with and to do. So I don't know. You guys let me know. Should I cut my hair? Because I already cut my hair once this year, up to my shoulders, and that's where I'll probably do it again. But I don't know. Or should I just grow it out? So let me know. But anyways, yeah, we're about to go ahead and head over to Burlington, like I said. So I'll see you guys once we're there.
I can't have the tissue before you sneeze, you know. I can't bow down at your feet, you know. Yeah, I got a triple king bed and I don't mind sharing.
Okay, so we made it here, but I wanted to show you guys this planner. I want a new one so that I can keep my life organized. This one is so cute. It just has all of the months, and it has like a lot of room to write stuff. And I don't know if it has notes yet. It has notes in the back, and it's a pretty good note section. Like, that's a lot to be able to write notes in.
Peoples are so motherfucking nasty. I can't even do it no more.
But yeah, this is really cute. Do you like this? This is cute.
I came out the bathroom and ladies were standing there. I said, oh, just a woman.
And also this color is really cute. Ooh. All these looks. Isn't it cute? Look at this one.
But like,
the
I'm
color.
so organized in this.
That's what I'm saying. You have to be organized. But then there's also this one. Kind of looks the same. It just doesn't have like the buckle in the front. Hey, Mom. This is so cute. Oh, this is my mother. She looks so cute. Wait, let's see. Hello.
What are you doing, Mario?
I need a planner, or like that one or this one. Did you look in the inside of it?
No.
Oh, you got those nails I told you to get? Cute.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's cute.
Go to the next page. Oh, so cute, isn't it?
Yeah.
Look at this one though.
Which one do you like better?
That one would fit in my purse, but I could get a bigger purse and put this one in it. But this one's just so cute. This has all like the months and stuff.
Yeah.
I like that one, the blue one.
This one?
You guys can't tell me this is not cute.
It really is.
This is so freaking cute. I want it for my room. How cute is this? Also, this little one is cute. This little vase with those in it. Super cute. I love like the clear little vases.
I already have one at home.
Oh, this one's really cute. I've just been into.
That
My
one's
sister
just a
likes
little
this
bit
one.
too big though.
So cute. I love that. All right, so update. I'm riding with my mom to go run a couple other errands. So I'm just gonna ride with her. I'm thirsty, y'all. I need some coffee or something. But yeah, we're just running to a couple other stores and then that's pretty much it. Good morning, it's Sunday. It's day 2 of Christmas shopping. We're out again. My mom wanted me to grab some more wrapping paper. I think she got this one yesterday. So we have to grab some more of that. And she wanted me to grab a green wrapping paper to match the green that's in this. And I'm thinking, I don't know. Let me see. Maybe this one? No? I don't know. But anyways, yeah, we're here shopping once again for stuff we just came for yesterday. So, yeah. Okay, so I found this one. I think that complements the green here. So yeah, I think that'll be cute together. So we got those. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. We're about to actually head out and run some errands. We need to go to Target, Walmart, and I think that's the only 2 places we're going to. We're going to this like grocery store called Fresh Time. They have like our salmon that we eat there, and then our seaweed wraps. Hunter's in his cage, so he's mad and he's not getting out because we're about to leave. So yeah, that's the plan for right now. It is Saturday, December 16th. So yeah, like I said, we're about to get ready to go out, run some errands. I think we're just grabbing stuff for the house or just random stuff, shopping, you know what we do. So yeah, let's go ahead and go. I'm gonna bring you guys along on this journey. It's kind of cold outside. It's not snowing, so that's great. But yeah, we're about to head out. So I'll see you when we get to the first store.
We take turns being wrong. I get real accountable when I'm alone. I get real about it all when I'm alone.
Okay, so we came to Walmart so far. I got these treats for the dog. And then I wanted to shop for my nieces. So I got one of them this phone. I don't know if I want to get her the phone or if I want to get her the vacuum because she's going to be 2 soon and super cute. Lights up. I think it's on the side. But yeah, super cute. So that's cute. And I got this one too. This is a 3-in-1 high chair. Swing, carrier, and
It's a swing? I didn't see that.
It's so cute. So yeah, that's it so far. Okay, so we finally made it back home. I'm about to eat my dinner and then I will do a haul of everything we got, you guys. There's so much stuff to show you, so stay tuned. This is what I'm eating for dinner. We got some salmon, chipotle salmon, rice, and some seaweed wraps. I'm telling y'all, I can put a little bit of honey on the salmon. It is great. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and eat and then I will do my haul. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and get into this haul. So we have all of these bags to go through. There's more bags in here as well. So we'll start with this bag first. So I ended up getting 5 pieces of jewelry from here. I love this little necklace. It's so cute. But yeah, I ended up getting 4 different earrings because they were on sale for $6 each. And one thing that I love about this jewelry is it never turns my ears green. So I love it. These are the first pair of earrings that I got. I love the detail on these and they're pink. I love everything pink. So those are the first pair that I got. And then these are the second pair that I got. I've actually had these. This would be my second time buying these, I believe, or my third. I always lose one of them and then I always lose the backs to the earrings as well. So I wanted these again because I love them. They're so beautiful. I get so many compliments on these. And I lost one of them, so I had to get a new pair. So these are my go-tos. And then these are the third pair of earrings that I got. They're very cute. I love them. This is the last pair that I got. I love these so much. I've been wanting these for so long. And then I also just got this little necklace as well. So that's everything I got from there. Next we have Forever 21 and I grabbed a couple things from here. Okay. So the first thing that I got was this little romper. It's kind of like pajamas, So yeah, I thought it was super cute. It's my color that I go for and it looks super comfortable. So I picked that up for bed. So the next thing I got are these high-rise leggings, but they're like flared at the bottom. Super cute. Love these kind of pants. And they're super comfortable. So I grabbed those. The last thing from Forever 21 are these little purses. Anaya had a friend stay the night, so they both just got one. They're really cute. I feel like they're like the perfect size for 4-year-olds. So the next place we went to was the children's place, and this has like a lot of kids clothing and shoes, coats, things like that. So I just grabbed Anaya a lot of these t-shirts. They're just like winter themed, I guess, or Christmas themed. They're really cute though. So there's this one. And then I also thought this one was really cute, so I picked up this one. It has like glittery mittens. Super cute. Love this color, by the way. And then she also got this one, which I thought was super cute as well. And then this is the last one. I love this blue color. It's so pretty. So yeah. I had to do some Christmas shopping for my nieces, so I picked up this for one of them. And then my other niece is obsessed with like babies and baby dolls and stuff like that, so I just got her this 3-in-1 high chair. And then from Walmart, I just picked up some more hair stuff. This is the ORS olive oil smooth and hold pudding. Love this stuff. And then I also wanted to try out the deep conditioner to it because I love the hair pudding so much. This is made with rice water and electrolytes. So yeah, I got. We also stopped at H&M and Anaya got some matching dresses with her friend, and then they got some leggings to go with it. So thought that was super cute. I also picked this up from Bath & Body Works. It's the Cocoa Shea Rich Moisture Body Butter, and this stuff smells so amazing. That is everything for today's little haul. Everything is everywhere. I got my coffee. So yeah, I'm probably gonna go ahead and put everything away and head for bed.
I love you, you're my girl. You see, I will tell you, but you're so steady, baby. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. Oh, girl, your face is.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So we are actually about to head out to go to my mom's to pick her up to take her to the store, and then we were gonna do vision board, so I'm not sure if that's tonight or if that's gonna be tomorrow, because I think my sister works. No, she doesn't. But yeah, so that's the plan for right now. We're gonna go take my mom to the store, see what they got, and I'm just gonna take you guys along with. So let's get this vlog started. I don't even know what day this is out of this vlog. I'm just gonna be completely honest with you guys. It's definitely after Christmas. So yeah, I don't even think I vlogged on Christmas because I was just trying to be in the moment, you know. But anyways, yeah, we're about to go ahead and head out. Outfits on. Just something simple. And yeah, so I will see you guys once we get to the store.
I need to take a picture of Nana.
Okay.
I need to take a picture of her with my camera.
So I had to run into the office really quickly to pick up a package. So excited. I will unbox this with you guys later. I just placed an order on Temu. I actually placed like 3 orders on Temu, so I have 2 other packages coming, but I will do a little unboxing with you guys later. I was just scrolling online, and Temu there's just a way that the world works. I don't know how, but when you talk about something, then it starts popping up on your phone, it starts popping up on Instagram, popping up on TikTok, and you're just like, okay, you got me, I'm gonna buy it. So I just bought some random stuff in here that I wanted to try from Temu, and plus it was all like 80% off, free shipping, so why not? So I placed a couple orders on there, and I will go over that with you guys later, but I'm gonna go ahead and pick up my mom. We're about to head out, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Waving, bye-bye.
Okay, so welcome back to the vlog. We're about to do a little unboxing of my package that I got from Temu, because I forgot to do it yesterday. By the way, it is Sunday, December 31st, and yeah, we're about to open up this package because I'm trying to see what's up in here. Okay, let's see. I just ordered like a whole bunch of random stuff that I thought that I would need. Or that I wanted. So the first thing that I got is this Cloud Rain humidifier. I think it's called a Hatch, like the original term for it on Amazon. But I didn't even know they had stuff like this. So yes, I got this. It changes different colors. It drips water and makes like rain sounds, and it's just so soothing. So that's how it looks. I thought that I would really like this next to me because I really like the sound of the fan and stuff. So I was like, maybe rain sound would be good too. So I got that. Okay, so this is the little raindrop thing, if you guys can hear it. Okay, so Temu had these perfumes on here, and I wanted to try to see if they smelled the same as the Sol de Janeiro 26. So let's try it. I don't know, we'll see. Y'all, I think this was like $7, and OMG, it literally smells exactly the same. So I got 2 of those. They're like the smaller sizes, but I couldn't tell the difference. It smells exactly the same. So yeah, I got 2 of those. I also picked up the pink one as well because, you know, why not? This one is a Brazilian jasmine and pink dragon fruit. So I'm going to spray that. Ooh, that's nice. That's really nice. So yeah, I picked up those 3 perfumes. I also decided to get this Miss Sweet perfume because, y'all, this is my absolute favorite. It smells like the Christian Dior without having to pay the full price of the Christian Dior, y'all. So let's see how it looks. I believe I had this one before. I don't know if it was like a different seller or not, but I did buy, yep, it's exactly the same, period. So that's how that one looks. And it smells exactly the same as the Christian Dior, the Blooming Bouquet one. Absolutely top tier. And this was like, I think $14. Yep. Ugh, it smells just like the Dior one, like literally like the Dior one, for $14. And the Dior one is $120, I believe. So this stuff, top tier. If you want to smell like Dior, Blooming Bouquet, get this. Next thing I picked up, I thought this was actually really cute. This is just like a little fan that I can carry in the summertime if it gets hot. I don't know how to do this. Maybe push a button. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know how to do this. Oh, I think you have to open it from here. Oh, okay. So yeah, it's just like a little fan. Oh, wow. Hunter. This is actually really nice. I wonder if it hurts. Like, I kind of want to... No, it doesn't even hurt. So, and they're like, they're plasticky, but they're not super soft. But it definitely doesn't hurt. So, how cute is that? And then you just turn it off. Ow! That one hurt. Oh, it has different speeds. So it has 1, then 2 would be higher. Wow, that's so cute. I can carry this in my purse and it's so compact. Like, all I have to do is just close it up and it's literally a little fan in there just in case it gets too hot. And it comes with the charger as well, so that's really cute. The last thing I got was just some headphones because I just needed some cheap little headphones to do my editing when I'm out in public, and I did not have any, and I'm not spending $150, $300 on headphones. Absolutely not. So I just found these ones, and I'm really hoping that they are good quality. So I guess we'll just have to see. Let me see if I have my phone. But, ooh, this is how they look. Kind of cute, right? So yeah, I'm gonna try to connect them to my phone to see like how good the sound is, but that is everything that's in my little unboxing. I have another package or 2 packages that's coming, so I'll show you guys that when it comes. Okay, so I'm testing them out, but I cannot hear myself, so I'm not sure how loud I'm talking, but these, I'll make it up to